In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate random numbers in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple formula column that produces a new, random-looking value whenever you create or open a page in your database. First, make sure you're working in a Notion database, such as a table, board, list, or gallery. We're going to add a new property to that database. Look for the small plus icon at the top of your database's columns. Click that plus to create a new property and give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later, something like random or roll. Naming isn't required, but it keeps your workspace tidy and makes the next steps easier to follow. Next, set the property type to formula. You'll find formula in the list of property types alongside text, number, select, and others. Choosing formula tells Notion that this column will calculate its value automatically rather than storing a manual entry. Now, it's time to enter the formula that will generate the random number. In the formula editor, you can use Notion's current time function as a changing input and then shape it into a number within the range you want. For a quick whole number from 1 to 100, a reliable pattern is mod to number format date now x 100 plus 1. Here's what it's doing. Now fetches the current time format date with X, turns that moment into a Unix timestamp in seconds. To number, make sure it's treated as a number. Mod keeps it within 0 to 99, and the plus 1 shifts it to 1 through 100. If you'd prefer a different range, just replace 100 with the upper bound you want and adjust the plus 1 accordingly. For example, for 0 to 99, use mod 1000 without adding 1. Once you've saved the formula, open or create a new page in your database. You'll see the random property populate automatically. Because this approach uses the current time, the value updates as you create or interact with pages, giving you a fresh number without any manual input. If you're testing and don't see a change, give it a moment or reopen the page. Timestamps update with time, not on every keystroke. A couple of quick tips to finish. You can sort or filter by this new property like any other column, which is handy if you're assigning randomized tasks. If you want decimals, wrap the result with a division, such as dividing by 100, to get 2 decimal places. And remember, this method is dynamic by design. If you need a fixed value for record keeping, consider manually copying the generated number into a regular number property when you're satisfied with it. That's it. Your Notion database can now generate random numbers on demand.